In this module, we'll be talk about how to manage the leads in a Dynamics 365 CRM. I'm just opening into the slideshow. So learning objective is we'll be understand the basics of the leads qualification process. We'll be go through the different options to create a leads. We'll be talk about the BPF, business process flow to manage leads. Some of the important areas will be explored practically. Another is we will be explore the different views, why we need to use the views. So what is the process of qualify and disqualify leads? Also, I will walk through practically we can create the leads manually. Also, we can create the leads by importing the XLS file. So let's jump into the manage leads. So let's understand what is mean by lead. If someone is interested in your product or services, they show interest that they are going to buy your product or service in the future. This is called as a lead. So this is the typical life cycle of the sales. So first we are going to the first module. This is the leads. After that, the opportunities, quote, order, invoice, and the sales process will be complete. I hope that you got idea the what is mean by lead. So how leads are generated? Typically in marketing, the leads are generated in a different ways. Like the salespeople have exchanged their business card and they have exchanged the contacts, or someone has shown the interest that they want to know more about your product. They want to know more about your service, or your company has a website and you are running an ad campaign on a Google. Someone is searching in a Google and found that you are ad there. They click on the ad and it is redirected to the your website. So after visiting on a website, they have read some information, but they want some more information. So they click on the contact and they fill the information, their email ID, their phone number. So this is called as also a lead generated to the website. Also on social media, you posted some information on social media, and someone shown the like or show as a created likes, or someone has shown the interest on social media. So like this way, the companies are generating a leads. I hope you got the idea what is mean by lead. So let's move to the next section. Move to the some of the key terminologies. I'm just opening the slide. Before jumping into the sales model, let's understand some of the key terminologies in the sales, or you can see in the businesses. So first is who is a customer. So customer entity is nothing but the individual or company who receive, consume, buy a product or services. from the seller. There are two entities. One is a seller and one is a buyer. So both, like seller also the customer and buyer also a customer. Suppose you have buy something or some camera from the Amazon. So Amazon is a seller and you are as a working as a buyer. So you act as a customer to the Amazon. But Amazon also manufacturing some of the product and they also manufacturing from the some of the customers. So this is the way we can say that okay, individual or company receive, consume or buy a product or service called as a customer. So let's understand the types of customers. So there are three types of customers: B2B, business to business; B2C, business to consumer; and third is a hybrid. So what is the B2B? In B2B businesses, customer are other businesses. This example, solar manufacturing solar panels to the bulk retailers. So in this case, the customer are other businesses because a retailer is buying solar panels from the manufacturer. So these two businesses are the customers. So this is the B2B business model. So second is the business to consumer. So consumers are individuals. Like you buy some grocery from the Amazon or you buy coffee from the top coffee shop makers. So customers are individual here. Third is a hybrid model. Customers are individual or businesses also. Suppose there is an automotive repair shop is there. So in this repair shop, they are buying some repairing item or some of the instruments from the manufacturer, or we can say that from the sellers, or they are and they are providing the services. So this is called as a hybrid model. Next is a sales life cycle. We'll be talking on next model. In this model, we'll be learn about the sales life cycle. Typically, the sales life cycle having 1 to 6 methods or 1 to 6 processes. Every lead is going into the different phases to convert into the customer. So let's understand each and every phase in a details. So first phase is a prospecting. Salespeople need to identify the potential customer. Who is the potential customer? So how to identify the potential customers? Like suppose someone is visited to your website and they have shown the interest in your product or services and they want more information. So second step after identifying the potential customers, we need to create the contacts in a CRM. So salespeople will find the best ways to connect with the potential customers. They need to set up the meetings. They need to call them to understand their needs. So this is called as lead. So lead is converted into the qualified prospect. So in qualified prospects, salespeople understand more about the potential customer. They will be learn more about the potential customers. In the fourth step, this qualified prospect converted into the nurture prospect, because the salespeople learn or educate about their product or services to the potential customer. They will be educate them how this product or service is improve their life or how it is solving their problems, because business is nothing but the solving problems. In a fifth stage, the salespeople presenting offers or overcome any objections are there, because the up to 1 to 4, the prospect is ready to buy your product or service. So in a fifth step, the salespeople presenting offer or discount on sales or product or services. They are educating them how they are better than other competitors, how they are providing the better offers than others, and the customer will be buy your product.